Hi, this is Teacher J and welcome to Minds tutorial. So yung lesson natin ngayon is linear inequality in one variable. Paano ba natin hahanapin yung solution ng inequality? Okay? So we have here two examples. So uunahin natin yung number 1. So that is negative 2x plus 5 is less than 9. Okay? And solving linear inequality is the same. Pareho lang yung process in solving in linear equation. Okay? Yung magkaiba lang dito is yung symbol na ginagamit. So ngayon, of course, we have to find first the value of x there. So ano yung gagawin natin? We have to apply the different properties of inequality. Meron tayong addition property of inequality. We have the distributive property of inequality at marami pang iba. Okay? So ngayon, let us solve this inequality. Okay? So we have that 2x plus 5 is less than 9. Kung makikita mo dito, yung negative 2x at saka 5 are not the same terms. So kailangan, we have to do the addition property of inequality, or you can do the shortcut by moving one term from one side to the other. Okay? So yung 5 dito, ililipat natin sa kabila. Okay? So, dito. Right? So, ngayon, yung matitira na lang doon sa right side is negative 2x. Then, less than, kukopyahin nyo yung 9. Okay? Yung 5, minumove natin from one side to the other. That is positive 5. So, when we transpose term from one side to the other, magbabago yung kanyang sign. Instead of negative, magiging positive, or instead of positive, magiging negative. So, this is positive 5, so this becomes minus 5. Alright? So, that is, just copy negative 2x less than, and 9 minus 5, that is 4. Right? And we have here negative 2x less than 4. Our goal here is to find the value of x, right? So we have to divide it by negative 2, divided by negative 2 both sides, para mawala yung negative 2 na coefficient sa first term natin. Okay? So if we divide negative 2 divided by negative 2, that is 1. So, yung matitira na lang dito is x. And 4 divided by negative 2, that is negative 2. So, x is less than negative 2. Okay? So, now let us prove that x is less than negative 2 ba talaga? Okay? Ano ba yung gagawin natin? So, yung x natin dito is less than negative 2. Now, let us prove kung yung x talaga natin is less than negative 2 to prove the inequality. Okay? Ano ba yung gagawin natin? So, yung negative 2 natin dyan, that is the basis to find the other solution of this inequality. Okay? So, we have to prove that x is really less than negative 2. So, that is negative 2. Okay? We have to find any number, okay, to its left and to its right. Okay? Ano ba yung term na nasa right side ng negative 2? So, we have negative 1, right? Okay? Going to the right direction, that is going to the positive infinity, while going to the left direction, that is going to the negative infinity. Okay? So, on its left side, ito, that is negative 3. Ayan. And which of the two here, so ang tawag natin dito are test points. Okay? Yung negative 3 and negative 1 are test points to prove the inequality. Okay? Ipo-prove natin that x is less than negative 2. Okay? Which of the two dito, negative 3 and negative 1 is less than negative 2? Okay, this one, di ba? Negative 3. So now let us prove. Ano ba yung gagawin natin? We will just simply substitute x by its value. Okay? Ito yung test point natin, di ba? Okay? So, papalitan natin yung x by negative 3. Ganyan. And then, plus 5 is less than 9. Right? Then we have to multiply negative 2 times negative 3. That is positive 6 plus 5 is less than 9. And 6 plus 5, that is 11, less than 9. Okay. Now, is it true that 11, positive 11 is less than 9? That is false. Alright? Now, since negative 3 is false, itatry natin yung negative 1. This time, papalitan natin yung x ng negative 1. So, that is negative 2 times negative 1 plus 5 is less than 9. Multiply negative 2 times negative 1, that is 2 plus 5 is less than 9. And 2 plus 5, that is 7, is less than 9. So 7 is less than 9. Is it true or false? So that is true. Okay? So yung x less than negative 2 is not the solution. So ano yung gagawin natin dito? So babalik rin natin yung symbol. So yung symbol magiging x is greater than negative 2. Right? So ito na yung sagot natin. So x is greater than negative 2. Okay? Let's proceed to our second example. We have that negative 1/2 x minus 2 is greater than 3. Alright. So, kung makikita mo dito, merong involved na fraction. Ano ba yung gagawin natin sa fraction? Una, of course, we have to transpose. We have to move one term from one side to another. Diba kung makikita mo dito, that is negative 1/2 x and negative 2 are not the same terms. So, ano yung gagawin natin? I-move natin yung negative 2 dito sa kabila. So, yung matitira lang dito is negative 1/2 x is greater than, just copy 3. So, negative 2, i-move natin. So, that becomes plus 2. Right? So, just copy negative 1/2 x is greater than 3 plus 2, that is 5. Okay? So, meron tayong coefficient na negative 1/2. So, ano ba yung gagawin natin? Since our coefficient is a fraction form, you have to take the reciprocal of it. Okay? So, negative 1/2, yung reciprocal niya is 2 over 1 or negative 2 over 1. That is its reciprocal. Yung buong expression, i-multiply natin sa reciprocal ng coefficient. So, multiply the whole expression by negative 2 over 1. Alright? And then multiply each term by the reciprocal of the coefficient. So, negative 1 times negative 2, that is 2. And 2 times 1, that is 2. So, that is 2 over 2x is greater than, okay? I-multiply mo naman yung 5 doon sa negative 2 over 1. Since 5 is a whole number, so you can put 1 there, diba? So that you can multiply the numerators and the denominators. So, multiply negative 2 times 5, that is negative 10. 1 times 1, that is 1. Okay? So, or 2 divided by 2, so that is 1, or just x is greater than negative 10 divided by 1 is negative 10. Okay? So, yung possible solution natin dito is x is greater than negative 10. Okay? So, ngayon, gawin din natin yung ginawa natin sa first example. We have to check whether this x greater than negative 10 is the true solution of our inequality. Alright? So, ano yung gagawin natin? The same thing yung gagawin natin. We have to look at the number to its left and to its right of negative 10. Tulad ng ginawa natin, we have to pick any number from its left side and from its right side. Okay? So, yung sa left side ng negative 10, we have negative 11. And to its right side, we have negative 9. Right? Ipoprove natin na x is greater than negative 10. Right? So, uunahin natin yung negative 9 because negative 9 is greater than negative 10. So, ipuprove natin if x is greater than negative 10. So, ano yung gagawin natin? We have to substitute x by negative 9. So, we have that negative 1/2 times, instead of writing x, just write negative 9 minus 2 is greater than 3. So, negative 1 times negative 9, that is positive 9 over 2 minus 2 is greater than 3. Right? So, 9 divided by 2, that is 4.5, right? So, 4.5 minus 2 is greater than 3. So, 4.5 minus 2, that is 2.5 is greater than 3. So, that is false, right? Because 2.5 is not greater than 3. Okay? So, meron na tayong clue ngayon na yung solution natin dito is x is less than negative 10. Right? Babalik ta rin lang natin yung symbol dito na ginamit. Okay? But of course, ipuprove natin yan. Okay? Ngayon, gagamitin naman natin yung negative 11. Okay? So, we have the negative 1/2 times negative 11 minus 2 is greater than 3. So, negative 1 times negative 11, that is 11 over 2 minus 2 is greater than 3. And 11 divided by 2, that is 5.5 minus 2 is greater than 3. Okay, i-dilitan natin ito ha. Right? So, 5.5 minus 2, that is 3.5 is greater than 3. This is true. Alright? So, ibig sabihin, yung solution natin dito is x is less than negative 10. Not x is greater than negative 10. Lang yung topic natin ngayon about linear inequality in one variable. I hope that you learn something kung paano isosolve yung inequalities. Alright? So, meron lang siyang konting difference doon sa linear equation because we have to prove first kung yung solution na nakuha natin is true or false. Alright? So, kapag false, you have to change the symbol. Instead of greater than, ang gagamitin mo is less than. Or instead of less than, ang gagamitin mo is greater than. Okay? So, thank you so much for watching. Once again, this is Teacher Jay saying that math is minds. Math is not a difficult subject if you are willing to learn. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye!